Hey guys, it's Wes back from Animation Toolkit, and today's how-to, we are looking at head cores. So we recently released a brand new product, head cores with a dimpled structure for the clay to easily, bond to these head cores. These give you a really nice superstructure to your heads for your stop motion characters, but also a fantastic texture for the clay to adhere to whilst you're sculpting. Today's tutorial is just hooking you up with how to fit the screw in the ball and then onto your armature. The rest, guys, will be up to you. So I'm not going to waste much time. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, I'm just jumping straight into this. These are our head cores. You're going to need some bits. Obviously the head cores, there's 3 different styles of head core. You need to be able to fit the ball bar onto the core in some way, shape or fashion, and I'm here to do that. So you might find, guys, on earlier versions of our stock that this hole down here isn't tapped. It's a 2.5mm hole, and that goes for, we name these Curly, Larry and Mo. Maybe you can see what we did there. Anyway, yeah, so these are a 2.5mm hole. On our newest stock, it's a M3 tap. So you should be able to just go straight in with these. But guys, if you are struggling, then the easiest thing to do is this. Grab yourself an M3 tapping bit. These are available on Amazon. I've mentioned them before. This link should be in the box down below. So the M3 tapping bit into this pin vise, just like that. The easiest, most successful setup. It's a couple more quid, but brilliant to throw these tools into your toolbox. They will forever come in useful as you are armature making. So I'm just going to very quickly whiz an M3 tap into that hole, and as you can see, guys, it's really easy to do it. Don't use any mechanical device. Don't be tempted to put the M3 tap into the end of a drill, because all you will do is rip the thread straight out. So again, just whizzing it into this head core like so. Really simple. Take it out, and if you haven't got a pin vise, guys, if you haven't got a pin vise, which is one of these, which I would recommend, you can use the M3 tap either by hand or clamped firmly in some pliers just to whiz into that hole and out. So once you've done that, you'll notice then that the bull bar that's been supplied with the kit will screw straight into the product, just like that. So either or, screw straight in. Now for me, guys, just screwing it in is not enough, so I'm just going to empty out any dust out of those. I'm going to grab some Loctite super glue. So this is super important. Super glue, that's super important. Take some time, spend a few extra pennies and get a branded, good quality super glue. I say this quite a lot, guys. Don't get the cheap stuff from pound shops or $1 shops. Absolute rubbish. I don't think it's going to do you any justice at all. Spend some time, research it, but and get some really good quality super glue. Super glue the hole. You know, you don't need loads, and also the thread, just to make sure it's in there. And that's just finger tighted into there, guys. It's, you know, nothing more than that. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could be careful with the pair of pliers on that ball end and just snip it up, but I think that's pretty much it. Let it go off, and then it's ready to fit to your armature. So here's our armature. Let's get our joint ready, and that basically fits onto our armature like so. And it's good to go. It was a really quick tutorial. It was a really quick tutorial today, guys. Thank you so much for having us. If you liked what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe to Animation Toolkit so we can continue to make more great films and how-to videos just like this. My name's Wes for Animation Toolkit, and as they say, that is all, folks.